All right, let's take a look at our project for this week. There's the online test, and like I said, uh, it's more than just scale. So watch all of my videos and then take it. It all should be reviewed, but there's three different choices. Mini-Me activity, which is a thing you can print out. If you want more graph paper, you can find it online. There's a math resource. Maybe I'll put it in there for you. Free printable graph papers. You can just Google it and you can print graph paper. You can print all kinds of different types of graph paper of different sizes, plus the virtual online graph paper. Okay. So the scale activity. So on the map one, if you take the original map that they have, wherever it went, and print it out, there it is. There's a scale right here. Okay. It's kind of hard to see here, but they have a scale there. It tells you if you actually print it out and use a ruler, you can measure the distance between places, and that will tell you uh, this, how far it is in real life. You multiply by the scale. Okay. On Google Maps, down here at the bottom, this length is 1 mile. So if you grab a ruler and measure that length and then measure over here, it will be 1 mile. Now, if you zoom in, you can see it changed. This length is 2,000 feet. If I zoom out, you can see it changing again. The mile is getting smaller as I get farther and farther out. Okay. This is the search bar. So Illinois, and you click search, and it's going to zoom out to where Illinois is. Okay, so you can see the whole state. Down here is the satellite view. So you can click that, and it changes. A little slow because my computer's doing a million things here. It changes to as if it was the real world. And if we wait a second, it should come up with the borders for Illinois and everything. Here we go. There's Illinois. And then when you want to go to North Chicago, you go in here and you type in North Chicago, Illinois, and it's going to zoom right on in to North Chicago. Okay. Now, North Chicago, you may need to zoom in even more to find the school. So you can type in here, Neil Math and Science Academy in Chicago, Illinois. And that will zoom in right to Neil Math and Science Academy. However, you won't be able to see the post office from here. So you may have to zoom out a little bit, click the minus button, or if you have a 2-finger scroll or a scroll button on your mouse, you'll have to zoom out just a little bit, 2 or 3 spots. You can also click and drag. There's the post office, and now you can measure the distance there. Here's the scale, 100 feet. Okay, you can use a ruler or you can figure out a different way of doing it. Okay, all right, good luck on that. Have fun.